Hello everyone and welcome to another post of Bitcoin USD. I'm gonna start doing this in video because I think the screenshots are not very well, like the prices are not very visible in the post on Steemit. So I'm gonna try to do this in video from now on and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so what I have here is the Bitcoin USD. This is the one-day candles from Bitfinex. And what I believe is going to happen is I think the price is going to go up until it reaches 2,700 more or less, and then I think it's going to bounce back down and it's going to follow this uptrend channel here. And I think at some point it's going to break this channel down and consolidate somewhere around 2,400. The reason I believe this, I have been saying that the price will go up to 2,700 for the past week or two in my other post in Steemit. And the reason for me to believe this is because I have been comparing the last bubble from 2014. It was actually at the end of 2013, but I'm going to call it 2014. Not to confuse it with the one from the beginning of 2013. So I'm going to call it the last bubble from 2014. I have been observing the charts from that bubble, and I could see that the patterns are very, very similar with the patterns that are forming now in 2017. So if this is a bubble, which we don't know yet, of course, it could continue to go up and break all-time highs again. I don't know, but so far, I've been comparing it with the last bubble in 2014, and it's been the chart. It's been doing almost the exact same thing. And what happened in the bubble in 2014 is that when it reached the top of the peak. The top of the bubble was back then 1,200 US dollars, and then it crashed, and then it went back up to $1,000 from the Bitfinex chart. Anyways, other exchanges had different prices, but I've been looking at the Bitfinex one. So it was 1,200 the top, and then crashed, then go back up to 1,000, and then it crashed again. And so far it's doing the exact same thing. And then after that, it went back up to 1,000 again, making a double top with the second, the lower top. So it did a double top at 1,000, and then it's when it started to go down slowly until it consolidated. I can't remember the price exactly, but what I did actually is I made this is from one of my previous posts in Steemit. What I did, this is the 2017 chart, the exact same chart that I was looking at right now. So, but because we're here, we don't know what's going to happen in the future. So what I did is I matched it. I copied and pasted the continuation from the 2014 bubble. I called it here 2013 because it was, I believe, October, November, or November, December 2013. But yeah, so I actually copied this continuation. And when I did that, I saw that it would actually match with these uptrend channels that I draw here in the 2017 chart, these uptrend green lines. Then when I pasted this from 2014 bubble, I see that it would actually go and match with this uptrend channel, and then it would break at some time here and then go down and consolidating at 2,400. So as I said, I don't know, no one knows what's going to happen in the future, and this pattern could be broken at any time. But because this pattern has been consistent for months now, for a very, very long time, until it's broken, I will continue to believe that it's going to continue to repeat until it breaks. But until it's not broken, I will remain I will continue to believe that it's going to continue repeating, and I believe it's going to go up to 2,700 to make a double top here, and then it perhaps will go down into a bear market. So I think I have here, this is the bubble from 2014. As you can see, it even has the same, I could draw the same channels here, the same uptrend channel in green and the downtrend channels in red. And see here, so it touched top, it crashes and that goes up to $1,000, crash again, and then goes up to 1,000 again, making a double top, and then from here it would go down. So I believe it's gonna happen the same thing again. And if the pattern breaks at any time before this happens, then I will see from there. But until it's broken, I will continue to believe that it's gonna repeat. The history is gonna repeat. For now, that's what I believe. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing 2 videos every week for Bitcoin USD, and then once a week I will be reviewing the 1 week candles. I will do that every Monday because the candle closes on Sunday, so I will be making a video on Monday reviewing the chart for the 1 week candles. But that was all for today's video, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.